What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a car jump starter, and this one is a little bit different. You can jump start your car, and if your car is running a little bit low on PSI, well, air. So if your car running a little bit low on air, at the same time you can pump in air. Now I don't know if you can do it at the same time, but you know what I mean. Like, you could jump start your car and you could put air in your tires. So I don't know about same time, but anyways, we are going to get into this. This is 150 PSI max pressure, 12-volt system. It does all gasoline cars and up to 8.0 liters of diesel engine. All right. And it got all that right there, you guys. I ain't memorize it, but there you go. And another thing people want to know is, here you go. Boom, right there. All right. So you're not going to get away with it. If you have an issue with that, then you might as well go ahead and empty everything in your house. Y'all know I say that every video, but there goes the specs right here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, you guys. Now, as you know, my knife. What do I have? Do I have anything sharp? Nothing sharp. Give me a second. Keys. I am actually working in my garage, repainting it, so all of my major tools are upstairs. So it is what it is. Now, if you have been a long-time subscriber to the channel, you know I reviewed plenty of car jump starters, you guys. I think this is probably one of the coolest things that they have ever created. Just for the simple fact, the old school way, you had to get the, you know, the jumper wire, and you have to ask for help. And some people be like, oh, sorry, I don't have the time, blah, blah, blah. And then you're stranded at Walmart and you can't do nothing. So with that being said, you can do it yourself. All right. Men, women, ladies, damsels in distress. If your kid is just started driving and stuff like that, they left their light on or something and they can't start their car, they don't have help, this is something good to give to your kids, especially if they're a new driver. Wow, this thing is actually huge. I didn't think it would be that big. If you look at the picture, it don't look that big, right? All right, so there was only one car jump starter that I reviewed that didn't work, and I got it from Walmart. It was on a Cyber Monday or something like that. But anyways, so yeah, there was only one that didn't work. So right here you have 3500 amps, 150 psi, and they let you know it's for the jump starter, and then one is for the air compressor right there. It comes with all of the air attachments. If you want to blow up basketballs, if you want to blow up your fitness ball and stuff like that, you have all your attachments there. And this is how these new air compressors are coming. They're coming with this little gripper right here where you can grip it and screw it on. Screw it right on the top. If you need to make it tight, you grip it. All right, so there you go with that. Right here you have your connection if you need to jump start your car, or you could jump start somebody else's car. You have an in and you have an out. All right, you guys, so right there you have an in and you have an out. So if you need to charge your phone or something, you should be able to charge your phone. So when you hold this button down, everything comes on. All right, so you hit that, the air definitely comes on. You can hit plus and minus. If you hit plus and minus, you can add how much air you want to input in there. And when you hit the middle button, the air comes on. So when you hit this little circular or rotating button right here, it's switched to the different measures of air. All right. But we go by PSI. I don't know about any other country and nothing like that. You have to hold down the rotate button to switch to the platform you want to use. So right now we're using like air for the tire. Now we hold this down. Now it went to, I believe, motorcycle. Yeah, I believe this is motorcycle. All right, we're gonna hold this down again. And then it switched to a bicycle. All right, then you can add add how much PSI you want to put into your bicycle. And then you have a basketball. All right. So whatever sport ball you need to pump air in, you have the ability to do that. And then we rotate and we go back to car. Now, as far as jump starting your car, for the most part, you just hook it up and it should know to jump start your car. There's like no mode here to jump start a car. And that's with most of my jump starters. So you basically hook it up and you just take it off of the port right here. All right. That's not bad, you guys. 3 to 5 hours to charge this is not bad at all. Hold the light button. You have a light right here. If you press the light button, you have your little emergency flash, strobe light, and you hit it again, it turns off. But remember, when you turn it on, you have to hold it. So right now I'm pressing it. You have to hold it. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right, you guys. So as y'all know, when I do like instructions and stuff like that, I'll post up most of the stuff while I'm talking. Definitely read the notes part. There's some important stuff on there, like do not start continuously. Start time should not exceed 5 seconds. So don't try to keep starting, start it again, turn it off, start. When you start and it don't turn on, then leave it off for a little while, even more than 5 seconds. Just let the battery charge and then try to start it again. So definitely read the notes. Other than that, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So now I'm going to hook it up. It's blinking red and green. I'm gonna hook it up to my positive. I got that hooked up to the positive, and then I'm gonna hook this up to a negative or ground. That's on here. I don't even think I got the power on. Turn the power on. It kicked. Now it's fully green. All right, you guys, what happened? Did we lose connection? All right, now it's green. All right, you guys, so I had to hook it up to this terminal right here. So, right here. I had it hooked up to a ground up here. I thought that would work, but I had to hook it up right here. And that's it. Take it off. And there we go. All right, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.